Wait time, elementary school, example and non-example. Whenever Mrs. D asks her students a question, Casey immediately and impulsively raises her hand. Despite her enthusiasm, however, Mrs. D knows that Casey needs time to process the question and formulate an answer. To help her do so, Mrs. D provides wait time. As you watch this example, pay attention to how she pauses after asking a question and again after Casey responds, thus allowing her the opportunity to elaborate on her answer.
Earlier in the class, we began our discussion on adjectives. And as a recap, can anyone tell me what the definition of an adjective is? Casey.
A thing that describes adjective is a word that describes another word.
Awesome job. Thank you so much.
To review, the teacher implemented wait time correctly. She asked a question, allowed 3 seconds of wait time after asking the question, and provided 5 seconds of wait time after the student responded. As you watch this non-example, note that although the students are actively engaged, Mrs. D does not allow enough wait time for them to either process the information or to formulate thoughtful responses.
All right, so earlier we had a conversation that was talking about adjectives. So before I give this example for us to break down, can someone please give me a definition of the word adjective? All right, Casey. Anybody else? Nehemiah.
Adjective is a word that describes another word.
All right.
To review, the teacher did not implement adequate wait time. Instead, she allowed only 1 to 2 seconds of wait time after calling on Casey, not enough for her to process the question and formulate an answer. Note how Casey disengaged from the discussion at this point. And did not allow wait time after Nehemiah responded, preventing possible elaboration.